Hey guys, what's up? It's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge spring try-on haul for you guys. I've been collectively buying stuff, getting ready for spring. It's finally getting warm here. Today is like 65, but it's been like in the 70s these past couple days, so I can finally actually wear these clothes. Also, once again, please excuse this setup. I know it's so rough. Guys, I move out in less than 2 weeks and everything will just be fine and dandy after that. So I just have stuff from a very wide variety of stores here. Like I have like 10 stores in this. I do all of my shopping pretty much online. A couple of these stuff I get in the store, but the majority of stuff I just do online because it's so much easier. Also, got my Dunkin' here. What else? I think I'm gonna start with Forever 21 because that's where I have the most stuff from. It's looking like. First things first is I like to get a lot of like basics that I can do a lot of different things with. So I got this black tank. It's a little cropped tank and it's like sweater material. You guys will see when I have it on. But I just thought it was really versatile and cute for the summer. Also got this skirt, which guys I am obsessed with. I got this in the store but I didn't try it on, so I'm so thankful that it fits. It's a little short, but it's this pleated skirt that I think would be so cute for like game days next semester. I went to Forever 21 in my vlog. I showed you guys that I needed a bathing suit and I got the cutest find. I did not think that I would find that cute bathing suits in Forever 21, but y'all, I am obsessed with this. I showed it to my mom and she said I look like I was in the 40s, but it's just this yellow bathing suit. It's a one piece, but it has this cutout and then it goes around, ties right there. They were having a sale that was so good. You could get 2 of these shirts for $8, so $4 each, and I thought it was such a good deal. So I got it in 2 colors. I got this black crop tank. It's like scalloped at the bottom, if you can see that. Yeah, okay. And then I love these necklines. I don't know what they're called. It's like, I forget what they're called, but they're straight across. And I think they're so versatile. It can go with so much. I also got it in white, which will go with so much. It's just the same thing, straight across neckline, scalloped at the bottom. This one is a little see-through, so I don't know. You can't see it on the camera, so I don't really know how I'm gonna style that, but $4, it's worth it. The next thing, I have been wanting this for so long and I have no idea where I'm gonna wear it yet because you definitely cannot wear them in Tennessee, but like I used to wear these hats in middle school from like limited 2. I had a gray sparkly one, but I just think they're so cute and trendy. I still have the tag on it. I have no idea where I'm going to wear this to or what. I'll figure it out, but I think it was so cute. It's got like this rope here and it was not expensive at all. It was 12 bucks. I actually wore this shirt in my last video. It's this cropped, all of my stuff is cropped, but I guess like summer you can do that. It's actually long sleeve for those chillier days and it's just this yellow white striped shirt. I thought it was so cute. Yellow is so in and trendy. That's all I have for Forever 21. The rest of the stuff is kind of like one stuff from each store, so just bear with me. First, I'm gonna do Romwe. I love Romwe. I know there's very mixed reviews about it. I was thinking of making a video just doing a big purchase on there and then like doing a review and try on. I get a lot of my stuff from Romwe just because it's very cheap and trendy, and I think that it's like I don't really have the money to make big investments for trendy clothes that'll only be in for like a week and a half and then they go out. So like if I see a trend start coming up, I'll get it from Romwe and it'll only be like $5 and then I can wear it for like the trendy days, and then I didn't really spend that much money on it. This shirt, like I didn't get this recently, but this shirt is from Romwe. I like usually just like read the reviews. That's my biggest tip for that because people like post pictures themselves in it. Also, note, Romwe and Shein are the same thing. I have ordered from Romwe before and it comes from Shein, and just so you guys know, Romwe is significantly cheaper. They have the same exact stuff usually, but like Romwe is significantly cheaper than Shein. Enough of my little rant. I got this shirt and I'm so excited about it. I'm a little worried because I don't know how exactly I'm going to wear it because it's a little see-through, but it's this cropped shirt that ties in the front like so, but the only problem with it is it has these things right on your boob. So I don't know if I can just wear like a strapless nude bra, or like, I don't know, maybe I can wear it over like a bathing suit or something. I honestly didn't really think that I would wear these, but I actually have worn them a handful of times, and I'm gonna continue to wear them like throughout the summer because white is such a summer shoe. But these are another one of the trends that I didn't want to spend a lot of money on because I knew I'd only wear them for like fashion shoots and stuff like that. So I didn't really need a lot of comfort from them, but actually these shoes are very comfortable. They literally have like fur, I guess like fake fur on the inside. You can't really see, but like they're not as uncomfortable as you think they'd be, and they're so cute. And now moving on to Nordstrom. You know how Nordstrom has a bunch of different brands within the store, so I got them from Nordstrom, but they're all like different brands. The first thing I got was from Free People, and I'm thinking of actually returning this and getting the next size up. I got a size 2. I don't know what I was thinking, but like it's like, you'll see it like when I show you guys, it's a little bit tight, and it's just like too tight for my liking. Like I couldn't eat if I was gonna wear it without like showing my bloatedness. But it is so cute. It's just this gingham. I cannot say the word for my life. Gingham. I used to say gingham, guys. It's gingham. Next from Nordstrom, this is from Topshop. I have just been wanting like a plain black dress that's pretty casual that I can wear anywhere, and this is like very it's like very spandexy, so it stretches, and once again it has that super cute neckline that I'm obsessed with, and it's just this bodycon dress that I can wear with so much, like literally just out to brunch, and I think it would look really great with like a jean jacket or something to tie the look together. Okay, the next things I got from Nordstrom, guys, I am literally obsessed with these shoes. I have been wanting, I love espadrilles, and I've been really wanting a platform sandal espadrille because I have sandal espadrilles, but they're not platform and they're closed-toed. So yeah, I saw these on Nordstrom and I was just like, yo, I need them. They're Franco Sarto. I've never heard of him before. Maybe I'm uncultured. But they're so cute, so comfortable, and they're Velcro, which I was a little like about, but I realized how convenient it is. Like literally I can just get them on and off like without having to do a buckle. This is from Urban. I got this super cute white shirt. It's just this, it's kind of cropped, kind of like right ends at where your pants would go, and the design in it has these little cutout whole flowers, which is so cute. Then from Brandy Melville, I bought this a couple weeks ago thinking I would wear it when it was still cold. I have yet to wear it, but I was thinking it could still be worn on like the chillier days, maybe like a rainy day in the summer. It's very versatile, and I can wear this also year round. It's just this plain black, kind of like, it's not fully turtleneck, you can't really tell, but it's skin tight. I usually do not get my jeans from PacSun, but I was looking and they were having a sale, so I got these super cute jeans. They're just high-waisted, and I've really just been wanting like a light wash pair of high-waisted jeans. Okay, then I usually do not shop at American Eagle or Aerie, but they have one in the mall here, so I decided to go in, and I actually got some really good finds in here. First thing, I got this white denim skirt that has holes in it that I thought was so great for summer. And then next from American Eagle, I got this tube top, which I am obsessed with. It flares out at the bottom, and I love the color. I got this, it's kind of like a jumpsuit, wait, what's it called? Like a sweatsuit, you know, but with shorts. So it's like a matching jacket and shorts that I am so excited to wear if I'm just like running to the grocery store or something. I wore this when I went on an airplane. And then these shorts are these. They're the most comfortable shorts I have ever worn. Alright, last but not least, I went to Dick's, and I noticed you can actually get these sweatshirts at PacSun. They had them there, and they're actually on sale after I bought it from Dick's, but it's fine. I don't even care. It's this Adidas cropped sweatshirt, and I absolutely love it. It has the stripes down the sleeves, and I'm in love. I'm just in love. Alright guys, so that is it for the haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try and link everything I got in the description if they're still available. But if not, I'll just like link some similar styles. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.